Hi, I'm Dr. Manjunath, consultant urologist, St. Philomena's Hospital, Bangalore. I'm here to speak about overactive bladder. So, overactive bladder, as many of you know, it's symptom complex condition where common symptoms are urgency, urgent incontinence, the associated with other lower urinary tract symptoms like frequency, nocturia, and all. The management of overactive bladder. So why we are speaking this during this epidemic is because as COVID pandemic or lockdown situation is a kind of stressful situation to everybody. There is chances that there is exaggeration of the symptoms during this phase. So with that, keeping that in mind, so we are trying to come out with little ideas how people can manage themselves at home. See, when coming to the management of the overactive bladder, so we broadly define it into lines of treatment: the first line treatment, second line treatment, and the third line treatment. The first line treatment comprises of behavioral modifications or lifestyle modifications like reduced coffee intake and reduced fluid intake, weight loss, and bladder training exercises, pelvic floor exercises. So these are the first line therapies. See, what these things means, like you reduce your coffee intake, you reduce your alcohol intake. So generally you decrease your evening fluid intake so that you will not have much symptoms in the night which may disturb your sleep. Second thing is, second line treatment comes to the what we call it as medical therapy, pharmacological therapy. So standard therapies for like antimuscarinics, which were there for a very long period, like sulfenacin, darfenacin, and all. Recent times, for the past 2 years, we have seen the mirabegron, which has taken over the mainstream of the treatment. When the first line therapies are not effective in controlling the bladder symptoms, then we go for the second line therapy, the pharmacological therapy. Pharmacological therapy is very much effective. Majority of the patients will be able to manage with first and second line therapy, combined therapy. If it is not able to manage with the second line therapy, then we go for the third line therapy treatment, that is interventions. Interventions mainly we give either botulinum toxin injections into the bladder to reduce the bladder sensitivity, so that you can store some amount of urine. Between the micturition there is some amount of gap given. You will feel more comfortable, and there are so many other modalities of surgical therapy.